officer of what rank?
Director Primary Education. Yes.
You are an IAS officer?
Yes.
See what difficulties you will have to face.
It is.
Starting up, going up. Tell your Chief Secretary. We have initiated contempt proceedings so moto against
My lord, that is my
your Chief Secretary. Nothing more.
That is
You can't make a joke of your own rules. It is binding upon them to follow their rules.
follow their rules.
They will both remain present here and I am going to punish them. You be very clear about it.
Your Lordship, if I may apprise the court of the updated progress in past few days.
What happened after that minister said no? You can't be playing politics in all these things. And you can't allow them to play politics.
Yes, Your
Present position is, my lord, that I am extremely sorry to say that the present position is
Same as what it was that day.
no something, my lord. Situation will change.
They have not been made functional now. We have initiated contempt proceedings so moto against
My lord, that is my
your Chief Secretary.
Therefore, my lord, I have asked the director that the matter.
And we have given you time. If you make them functional by the next date, if you make them functional by next date, the Chief Secretary and the additional Chief Secretary need not be present.
My
We have initiated so moto contempt. If they do not make them functional by that date,
then
they will both remain present here and I am going to punish them. You be very clear about it. I don't mince my words.
certainly, my lord.
It's a court of record. You can record my statement, what I am saying today.
My lord, my lord. If my
It
lord,
is 1 year that we have given you a very long rope.
my lord, certainly.
Nothing more.
That is
You can't make a joke of your own rules. It is binding upon them to follow their rules.
follow their rules, my lord.
Or you scrap your rules.
It is true, my lord.
We have given you time up to, what is that date? कब रखा है उसको?
2nd February.
हाँ,
2nd February.
First February.
सेकेंड में हुजूर इसको कर दिया।
नहीं, फरवरी फिर बिताना जिस दिन बितानी है।
नहीं, बिताना नहीं है, फरवरी वो
That is 1st February and that is it.
फर्स्ट 1 फरवरी समझे ना, बीट टाइम वो और फंक्शन हो जाता है।
It is very simple. The contempt has to be taken notice of within period of 1 year.
My
We passed the order in Suresh Ram on 23rd February.
lord.
So the notice, so moto proceedings have been initiated mentioning this aspect. You can read that order.
My
Mr. Ramindranath,
Otherwise you will take a plea कि साहब 1 साल हो गया.
वो मेरा कहीं से भी मेरी कोई मंशा नहीं है। हम इतना ही चाहते हैं हुजूर कि ये फंक्शनल हो और हुजूर के आदेश से ये फंक्शन में आ जाता है तो ये जो है बेनिफिट
नहीं, हमने तो आदेश कर दिया था पर लेकिन
आपके अभी जो स्थिति है
वो हिंदी में बोलना नहीं चाहते।
क्या समझ रहे हैं?
क्या
हम समझ रहे वो जीएटी के पास पेंडिंग है।
ऑफिसर ऑफ व्हाट रैंक?
डायरेक्टर प्राइमरी एजुकेशन।
You are an IAS officer?
Yes.
See what difficulties you will have to face.
It is.
Starting up, going up. Tell your Chief Secretary.
Lord, it is in our department's earnest interest also that this.
You will be, see, your ministers will never be responsible. The administration of the government is in the hands of the officers. It is you who have to see that you have to draw a line, say that no, further, no indulgence to anyone. You can't be playing politics in all these things. And you can't allow them to play politics.
Yes, sir.
There is a duty towards the court, there is a duty towards people, and as per rules which you have already framed.
Yes, sir.
Please convey.
now becomes
Much obliged.
now
आपकी
becoming
अटेंडेंस मार्क करें उसमें न्यूज से, उसमें जो पहले ऑर्डर आया था उसमें आप आइटम नंबर 6 में आपके पास नहीं है, पहले था आइटम नंबर 6 में आप अटेंडेंस मार्क कर लीजिए। मिस्टर झा along with the director primary education, he informs that there has been no further steps taken for.
ये हुजूर से ये वर्ड छोड़ दिया जाए।
Why? This is what you have informed. No further steps have been taken to make the district appellate authorities functional.
No,
Although the selection process has already been
steps
completed,
has been taken and the matter.
although the selection process has already been completed,
My lord.
but appointments have not been made, nor the selection, district appellate authorities have been made functional.
The matter is sorted out and went for the GAD department, my lord, that
You have not
As
said
per-
so, आप लिखित में दीजिए.
as per today.
You have not given it in writing.
Your Lordship, if I may apprise the court of the updated progress in past few days.
What happened after that minister said no?
Your Lordship, afterwards, with the indulgence of the court, the matter was sent to AG to examine it. The AG has opined that based on the merit list which was prepared, it need be re-examined on the basis of following of reservation roster. And the file was sent back to Additional Chief Secretary. He has, with the permission of the Chief Secretary, sent it to GAD, which is the main personnel department. So the GAD is examining it on the basis of the reservation roster which was sanctioned, and it shall be done in a day or two, following which, if need be, will revise the final selected list based on the merit list as per the advice tendered by the GAD.
Is it a government service? How are you applying a roster?
Yes, Your Lordship, there has been a
They
roster.
are retired people.
But roster is.
You are appointing on a judicial post retired judges. Where is the roster applying here?
Your Lordship, the reservation rules state that
Where
for
is the,
all.
where is the reservation apply? अगर इस तरह से करने लग जाए तो हमारे तो सारे हाई कोर्ट की जजेस का सबका ही है ना रिजर्वेशन रोस्टर. आप कहाँ रिजर्वेशन रोस्टर लगाते हैं स्टेट अपीलेट अथॉरिटी में? From where did you get this new thing?
रोस्टर क्यों लगे थे उसमें? रोस्टर फॉलो तो करना नहीं रिजर्वेशन का.
From where? Tell us. Young man, you tell us.
This is the, based on the direction.
It will tell us from the rules.
Your Lordship, I'll have to go back and bring.
This is not an appointment as such in a service. A retired man is being appointed. It's basically essentially a nomination. It is not even appointment. Their tenure is fixed. Where is the roster application?
Your Lordship, this was the.
As a matter of fact,
advice
those
rendered-
who are senior or who are immediately, who have retired, they should be given immediate appointments. Others who are later on or who have already spent more time as in retired life, they should be taken up later on if you do not have any other person. That is how the process should be adopted in amongst the district judges. You have to appoint only district judges.
District judges and officers of retired officers of Bihar Education
That
and
also.
Bihar Administrative.
So where is the question of roster in their cases?
This was a post.
Even otherwise on the highest post and highest echelons of the post, I don't think roster
Your
is
Lordship,
required.
since this was, these posts were.
We have already said it in Pradeep Kumar Gupta's case.
Your Lordship,
These are specialized posts.
since these posts were created by the cabinet and they are paid by the state exchequer, so as per GAD rules, the reservation criteria which is
ठीक है,
applicable.
लगाओ लगाओ जो करना है. We want to know. I am only interested in getting those.
One indication, my lord, may kindly be given that the matter is before the GAD department now, personal department.
We don't know. We have called your chief secretary. हमने आपको initiate कर दिया.
Milord, I have to seek one apology.
चलिए.
It is infructuous now, Milord, 31.
This has become infructuous.
Yes.
Council states that the writ petition has been rendered infructuous.
Milord,
Electronically
with